smelled it yesterday. Annie, eat slowly, please. Chew it up.
Nice chewy texture. Can I pass?
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I didn't know you were waiting for me.
No, okay.
Annie, show me the challah and tell me who baked it. You baked it? What's in it? No, what did you put in it? What were the ingredients? Mm-hmm. Just water?